Good to see you all. Now we got some new people. Aru Chandala Robos. That can be only one person. All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another session of Empowering Morning Conversations, session number 59. And today is about celebrating life. And to start the session, we'll have Kuldeep ji share a share. So go ahead, sir.
थैंक यू सर. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स.
Morning.
लाइफ जो है वो लम्हों से बनी है और अगर हम लम्हों को संभाल लें तो हम लाइफ को संभाल सकते हैं. तो उसके ऊपर एक शेर पेशे खिदमत है.
इरशाद इरशाद
कि कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा. अभी तो हैं, कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा. कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा. जो लम्हे हैं उन्हें चलो हंसकर बिता दें, जाने कल जिंदगी का क्या फैसला.
वाह,
सेलिब्रेट ना.
क्या बात. सर अगर इजाजत हो तो एक मैं भी सुना दूं.
प्लीज सर, प्लीज प्लीज.
सर से इजाजत लेनी पड़ेगी. सर इज ऑन म्यूट. अर्ज किया है कि पुराना शेर है, लोगों ने सुना होगा, लेकिन ये बड़ा एक जोशीला शेर है सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए कि हमको मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, हमको मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, हमसे जमाना खुद है जमाने से हम नहीं, हमसे जमाना खुद है जमाने से हम नहीं. बैक टू यू सर. सुदीपक सर.
Sir, you are muted.
So welcome everybody to another session of Empowering Morning Conversations, session number 59, Celebrating Life. And just in case anybody is getting a wrong impression that this is a Shero Shairi group, it is not. We just add some tadka to it, you know. So we have some wonderful poets in our group. So sometimes we like to start with some of their poetry. Now, what's the purpose of this group? The purpose of this group is to help us to stay positive and keep moving forward in a world that is so full of negativity. So one thing I'm very clear about, my friend, is that you will either let the world influence you, and unfortunately it is doing negative influencing these days, or you will influence the world. So if you and I have an opportunity to influence the world, don't you think we would like to influence it positively? Do we like to spread doom and gloom in the world? Hi, ye majboori, ye mausam, or ye doori, all the negative kind of thing. So let's spread some positivity. So we get together every morning, we have conversations, we learn a few techniques which help us stay in the present, move forward, generate some passion and energy, etc. So find out for yourself. So some of you are already finding out. So we have this band of people who've been together for 59 sessions. Shows how committed they are to a positive life. So congratulations and thank you for being here. I'm grateful that we share the same dream and the same vision and we are doing something about it. Shairi means poetry in Urdu.
So, meaning of the Shairi, what he said, you know.
Oh, so hang on, we'll tell you that also. We'll ask them to repeat it. And actually, we said it. Which one are you talking about? The first one or the second one?
Both, sir.
The first one he explained. I also explained. Start listening, khas off. Second one, Kunain, tell the second one and explain it also.
ओके सर. सेकंड वन जो मैंने बोला वो है कि कासा जी, हमको मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, like the world cannot finish me in the literal meaning. World
The
cannot
world does not have the power
yeah.
to finish me.
So, or in other words, nobody can harm you. Nobody can do anything. You have the power. And the second sentence of this shayari is that हमसे ज़माना खुद है. हमसे ज़माना खुद है. ज़माने से हम नहीं. So I have the power to make this world. Not the circumstances, the other things cannot influence. I have the positivity. I have the power. I have the capability to influence the world. Am I right?
Yeah,
sir?
in a simpler way, I create the world. The world does not create me. Is that right, Punen? I create the world does not create me.
Yes.
And we had another beautiful one from Chaturvedi ji, Kuldeep ji. Maybe you can repeat it for the benefit of our friend Kasa with the translation. So a lot of people who came late will benefit from it. Kuldeep ji, have you muted him or what?
No, yes. ये जिंदगी के सेलिब्रेशन के ऊपर है और जिंदगी लम्हों से बनी हुई है. लाइफ इज मेड ऑफ ऑल मोमेंट्स.
Moments.
तो कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा. गिला का मतलब कोई रिग्रेट या कोई शिकायत इस तरीके की चीज. कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा.
सिमटी हुई यादों का sense.
Sir, your
What the
voice,
translation. The voice dropped.
कल न हम होंगे न गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा. जो लम्हे हैं उन्हें चलो हंसकर बिता दें, जाने कल जिंदगी का क्या होगा. Means we are not sure that we will be here tomorrow. We will not be there. There will be no regrets. What will remain is a sort of a shrinked memories we will have. So what we should do, whatever is available, whatever moments are available now, we will celebrate them. We don't know what will happen tomorrow for this life. So celebrate life. Life is now and here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. So on that note, I will tell you why we are doing a program today on celebrating life. See, for the last 3 days, we've been looking at problems. Yeah, types of problems. What do you do in a problem? And one of my friends had an opinion that let's continue to deal with problem today also. And let's ask people who's got what problem and so on. So I said, no, let's not do that. Problems are staring us in the face anyway. And we'll spend a lifetime dealing with them. It's a constant process. One goes away, another one comes up. Small one goes and a big one comes. Big one goes and a small one comes. And we spend a lifetime dealing with them. But is that all there is to life? Yes, we have to deal with it. We have no choice. But we can also celebrate life that is occurring moment by moment. Why? Because every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself, problem or no problem. So even the problem happens in the moment. So everything is just an experience, right? So one of the ways to look at it is, okay, here's another experience. I'm labeling it as a problem, but it's another experience in my life. At least it tells me that I'm alive. Can you imagine that if you stop experiencing any experience, it's a sure shot indication that you're not alive. When you go to a hospital and you see somebody lying on the bed and they've got this machine, you know, what tells you that you're alive is that wave is moving up and down. The moment it becomes flat, then I think we are declared dead, right? So if life is there, there are going to be the ups and there are going to be the downs. And if I'm a person who can face ups and downs and celebrate both of them because they are a part of my life, they are my life. चाहे ऊपर हो चाहे नीचे हो, है तो मेरा ना. और जो मेरा है उसको तो मैं सेलिब्रेट कर सकता हूँ ना, उसका मैं उत्सव बना सकता हूँ। अगर मैं हर एक चीज का उत्सव बनाऊंगा तो लाइफ ही एक उत्सव बन जाएगी। बट सम पीपल से नो सर, लाइफ इज अ सीरियस बिजनेस, वी शुड सीरियसली अप्लाई आवरसेल्व्स टू डूइंग थिंग्स। अरे बाबा, इफ यू हैव फन एंड डू देम, you will produce better results. Why do you think children produce such good results? As long as you let them remain children. The moment they go to primary school, you kill them. Till that time, they are happy children. They learn things fast. They are so curious. They're enjoying every moment. You know, when I was a kid, I would sit on the ground and I'll be looking at the ants for hours and enjoy that. And you remember your childhood. You would enjoy every little thing that was there in it. There's nothing called boredom. Why? Because life is a celebration. Na? So let's celebrate. So, what I wanted to ask everyone before we got into the main topic for the day is, in what way are you celebrating your life now? So, I would like to start. In what way are you celebrating, or in what way can you celebrate? कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो या कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हो? I'd love to hear that from you. You may get some great ideas.
Yeah, I want to share.
Yes, so
Celebrating every moment, whether it is trouble or anything. अगर कोई दिक्कत होता है, then we make a joke of that and celebrate, run the moment anywhere. And
okay.
एंड बचपन का यादें भी जो सर ने बताए थे अभी, आई मीन कुलदीप जी ने, तो जो लम्हे उनको भी याद करके, आई मीन रिमेंबरिंग दोज ओल्ड मेमोरीज, good old memories, sweet old memories, and also, you know, I can be happy. I want to share one small example of mine. When I was very childhood, I mean maybe first class or something like maybe 5 years, 6 years age, there is a primary school near to my house. I was not willing to go to school, but you know, jabardasti, being sent. So वो जो हेडमास्टर है, उनका कुर्सी के नीचे बिठा देते कहीं बाहर ना जाए करके, वो नीचे से ही निकल जाता था। हमें निकल के, माई फादर्स ऑफिस इज आल्सो वेरी नियर बाई, सो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू माई फादर। देन फादर कोई दुकान में ले जाके कुछ खाने के लिए दे देते थे, जाओ घर जाना बस, नेक्स्ट डे ओनली स्कूल। दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ थिंग I remember still. Maybe it's 50 years old back memory. I remember that, and there are many such kind of things, good memories. I remember and I celebrate it.
Wow, congratulations! Thank you very much for sharing it.
Thank you.
Asina
Okay.
ji wants. Asina
Yeah.
Asina ji wants to share.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yesterday we had dignity exercise, which was very much like dancing, and I was too thrilled about that. I was on my own doing my exercise, and my granddaughter was taking video from the side, and I didn't know about it. And as I kept doing it, all the people that were in the room started doing the same exercise with me, and it was such a great fun. I try my best to be dancing all the time.
Excellent, super. Just put on some music and dance. Yes, Sirish, and then
Good morning to you
And
all.
then Nagamani ma'am.
Yeah.
okay.
All right. So as you said, I'm experiencing it and moment by moment. Now I'm having seizure to take, but I'm enjoying that. You know,
Good.
instead of that, I'm enjoying your session over here. And while listening to you people and all these things, I'm trying to forget my pain over here. So I'm enjoying that and that also. And I'm sure it will definitely go away.
Very good. Thank you so much. Yes, Madam Nagamani. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So I want to share like this. So right way of thinking, we can celebrate, we can ease our problems, everything I feel, sir. Every day is a celebration. If we think rightly, from making to coffee to everything. And
Exactly.
Bhagavan, some good things. So we feel that energy, that right thinking is the main source of our this thing I'm feeling.
Right.
So
Thank you.
Nityostava, they say in Kannada. In Kannada, they say it Nityostava. Every day is a celebration.
Ah, life is a celebration.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Right. Very nice.
Right
Thank
thinking.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Vitrivel.
Sir,
This is the
Gopal,
real celebratory man.
I think Gopal sir wanted to talk.
Okay, Gopal sir, go ahead.
Yeah. Whatever I do, I am singing, I am painting, I'm enjoying myself. Whatever I do, I'm enjoying myself.
Hmm.
That's it. I sing a lot.
Acha,
Yeah.
we'll ask you to sing also.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
2 lines?
Now.
2 lines? Okay. कांटों की चुभन पाई फूलों का मजा भी इस दर्द के मौसम में रोया भी हंसा भी कांटों की चुभन पाई फूलों का मजा भी.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sorry, we're not letting you complete the whole song. But it's such a beautiful song, no?
Yeah, it's very
The
good.
gist of the song is that I'll enjoy the thorns as well as the flowers.
Yes, exactly. Chitra. Chitra Singh.
Wow,
Chitra Singh.
fantastic. Thank you. Okay, who else? Vitrivel.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Morning.
everyone. On a lighter note, I like you said, I celebrate, I enjoy, but I make sure that I keep it secret so that others don't feel jealous.
If you're driven by people are going to feel jealous.
Actually, I was just typing something to invite people. So suddenly the good thought pop up. What is the reason for me to invite others for this celebration? I find nothing. Then strike me, you are teaching us a lesson, important lesson. If at all, if somebody takes away this from the session, it is going to be with them. You don't need a reason to celebrate. Whole life offers you every moment you can celebrate. You have got a choice. And I said, we are celebrating through empowering morning conversation. Please join. So you are teaching us how to celebrate without even a reason. Thank you very much, sir.
Like we laugh for no reason. Like we can dance for no reason. Raghu, you want to talk?
Yes, sir. Good morning to you and good morning to everyone. The moment, like we were talking about awareness. If you are in the moment and you are aware of what's happening, definitely you can celebrate each and every second of the life. For example, generally we get irritated because of the sound when the wife cooks in the kitchen. But if you start really listening to it, the tap water sound, the tapping of a spoon or any other vessels, if you pay a little more attention, then you can see there is a rhythm, like how she cooks, and you can start enjoying it rather than that same sound which was irritating you. If you pay attention, it will be very soothing to your ears. That way, if you be aware and you be present, definitely we can celebrate each and every second of the life.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. So there is a question for you. Here I come with my question again. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Who should I be that I'm creating every moment of my life as a celebration?
Who should I be celebrating every moment of
that I am creating every moment of my life as a celebration.
I'll just think over and then get back to you, sir.
I'm not asking you to tell. I'm asking you to dwell. Dwell means think about it. Be in it.
Yes, sir.
Who should I be that I am creating every moment of my life as a celebration? We can. Every time we burst into laughter, every time spontaneously you choose to enjoy the sound coming from the kitchen or the sounds of the birds. But have you noticed one thing? Being very judgmental people, we are always judging. So we made one category of things. If A, B, C, D thing happen, that I can celebrate, right? If P, Q, R, S happens, then I will resist. Okay, so some people will say, I will celebrate when there is my birthday. I will celebrate when I get a large sum of money. I will celebrate when I get some praise and appreciation. So we made certain categories of events which we will say, now I can celebrate. And there's a whole lot of category of events. We say, oh, this is not just a normal day. What is there to celebrate in it? And then we'll have some things which will happen and we'll say, no, now I don't have to celebrate. I have to feel miserable. So we keep going from one state to another. So just wait and see. Which state are you keeping most of the time? Just going on as usual. Many times I'll ask people, how are you? Just usual. If somebody says that, he's certainly not celebrating his life, is he? Okay, so who's next? How are you going to celebrate your life?
Sorry.
Yeah, who's this? Nidhi, you want to say something?
Yeah, so
Please
yesterday afternoon was the first dose, and it was amazing that we had a family dinner yesterday at Mamaji's house. But that was so sweet of Bhabhi. Like she said, you guys relax at home, and she sent so much of sweets and food. So, there was a lot of celebration after the dose also.
Yeah.
So
So
we
you
really-
turned it into a celebration.
Yeah. Before, but we celebrated Mamaji's birthday at my place.
So one friend of mine had come from US, not Indian. So wherever he would go, they were all telling, eat this, eat this, eat this, eat this. So the guy says, you guys only think about eating, I said, no, it's not like that. We are celebrating. And when we celebrate, we eat. Fantastic. So you
Sir, one
turned
more-
your tika into celebration.
One more quick
Yes.
thought, sir, from Niti's sharing. Of course, very sorry for the bad things happen to people during this Corona period. But many treat this Corona period as a festival because they are in the home, they are with the family, they eat whatever they feel like. It's like
Get up whenever they feel like it.
they are celebrating this Corona period. People have gone to that extent.
Good. So let's start the celebration. And today we're going to start the celebration with an exercise. So we're going to do this 50 object exercise. And let's start by focusing our attention on one item which is near you in your home. So give your full attention to it. And as you look at it and see the details of it, and if you're really looking at it, it actually becomes alive. It becomes three-dimensional. You start noticing details. And this, what you're looking at, is one of your possessions. And you can be with it and allow yourself to be grateful that you have it. Now move your attention to another object which is there with you or near you, and give your full attention to it. And as you give your full attention to it, allow yourself to feel gratitude that this object is there with you, serving you. So if there is somebody in the room with you, give your full attention to them. And as you become fully aware of them, become aware of how important they are for you, how much of celebration they bring into your life, and allow yourself to feel gratitude for them. Now put your attention to another object. And as you give your full attention to it, become aware of the thing. Become aware that this is in your life, belongs to you, serves you, and now allow yourself to feel gratitude towards it. So I'm going to be silent for a little while. You keep on shifting your attention after every 10 seconds or so to different objects, and feel your gratitude for these things, that they are there in your life. All right. So this is the beginning of your day. And we can have this whole day be a celebration if we allow ourselves to experience every moment and bring our joy to it. Remember, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So today, we will spend the day finding reasons to be happy. Our mind keeps on finding out reasons to be unhappy and becomes unhappy. Today, what we will do is we'll celebrate life. We'll find reasons to be happy. So I'm going to stop the share now and invite you guys to share with us What are your reasons for being happy? What are your reasons for celebrating life today? So go ahead. Who would like to do that?
Sir, freedom is one of the reasons for celebrating life.
Okay, that's your reason.
Yes, I'm also connecting to the yesterday's topic. Yesterday we talked about freedom, and that naturally leads to the celebrating life.
So, are you saying, Rama, that I have freedom, so
Yes.
I'm celebrating my life?
Yes.
Great, fantastic. Great. Anybody else? Give me reasons
Yeah.
that will make you celebrate today.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I want to tell. Like every day morning, I am coming and meeting so many people here. This is a real celebration for me, and
Great.
because I see the moment I get up, I say, "Arey, it's 7:30, or maybe 10 minutes more. We come and join." So I can see, I can talk. Like Reddy sir is there. Nidhi is there, Kunyanji is there, Chaturvedi is there, and my Veterwell star is there, and there are a lot of people like Hasina ji is there, and one lady, I am not getting her name, the person who has a background of Ramana Maharshi.
Suchitra.
A lot of people are there. This is kind of, and this is the kind of celebrating time, 1 hour.
Very interesting.
Very
He mentioned every name, not mine.
You are already there.
So I'm finding reason to be unhappy.
And even when I go to office also, I'm not boasting, but it is real that the moment I open the door, there will be 2-3 people sitting there, and they welcome with a smile. And whenever we gather in office, every day it will be a celebration. कुछ दुखी है, चलो celebrate करो, कुछ सुख happy है, celebrate करो. But we will do that. I mean, the moment you told now, you look at the object, first I looked at my laptop only, because I'm able to see 25 people. At
29 people. Wonderful. Thank you, Suresh. Who's next?
He looked at and froze.
So for me, today is Friday, so it's holiday. So the celebration mode coming from morning itself, that I have not to work. No tension of chasing suppliers and getting the materials and all such stuff. So away from work, at home with family, and that's what it is today and tomorrow.
Reason to celebrate. Very nice. Thank you very much. Who's next?
So I'm going to celebrate by the fact that I seem to have the switch in my hand, the celebration switch, that I can turn on despite whatever's happening outside. I just turn it on and it becomes a celebration. So it's not what's happening that is creating the celebration, but the fact that I turned the switch on and whatever is there seems like.
Beautiful. You can even celebrate the fact that you have a switch in your hand.
Yes.
Okay, Kasa.
So there is so much challenges in my life, and I celebrate my challenges. So it's I would say I'm celebrating my challenges.
All right, great. Fantastic. And Kuldeep ji?
Sir, I am celebrating in the same way as Suresh ji has said. Gift that a platform is available in your house without going anywhere, which is continuously, without interruption, empowering us. What best you can expect from the universe.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing that.
Sir, there was a power cut, so I have logged in now through mobile.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
that's it.
I'm not
That's
complete
okay.
then. I'm not complete then. It got.
Ah.
So morning
Okay.
when I'm logging this group, I would love to listen the share Shairi and everything. I mean, everyone is, it's a collective sharing, which gives you more than, I mean, if I have 100 rupees, and it is like, information collecting, knowledge collecting from all lot of 30, 35 people.
Wonderful.
There is no other way of, gaining such experience.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Shakti, you can unmute yourself and say, instead of putting in the chat box.
Being with you all, my family and friends.
Is a reason to celebrate.
Yes, sir.
Great, thank you so much. Yes, Kunanji. After that, Neeti from Kolkata.
Who is the first one?
I think
Kunen.
Ben sir, as I told you that I was just telling Sujitra ma'am that keep this remote, keep the button on always. Don't switch on off.
So keep celebrating permanently.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Yes, Neeti. And we've got Snehal. We've got so many other people also. Some of them always keep quiet.
As Kunanji said, being a holiday today and tomorrow, it is a reason for a celebration, small celebrations.
Great.
Now,
Thank you, Rajshekhar.
Thank you. I always take life whenever there is a opportunity for the celebration.
Wonderful. Right, then next is Neeti.
Yes, sir.
The rest of you, please mute yourself.
So I think I celebrate like every day through food and Shukrana in everything. Today I celebrate because once again, I'm being able to attend to all my chores and responsibilities alongside I can do this workshop. So that itself is a big celebration for me.
Wonderful. Yes. Raghu.
Good morning once again to everyone.
Morning.
Do you need reasons to find reasons to celebrate? Definitely not, because only we find problem. If we start finding it, then we will find the problem only. So better not to find anything. Cherish the moment.
Beautiful. Everything which is not a problem, we'll celebrate. Huh? We will even celebrate problems.
Yes.
Because
embrace the
every
problems.
experience is an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves. Thank you. Okay, who's next? Especially the ones who haven't spoken so far. Subhashi, Rajesh Rao.
इम्तियाज साहब भी हैं सर.
इम्तियाज साहब को तो हम पहले बोल चुके हैं. I'm asking him. Yeah, he should go first. After that, Rajesh Rao.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
Okay, first of all, as Kunan say, today, Friday, non-working day, family day, this is celebration, and every day, especially when wake up, of course, blessing the new day. And I feel this is first day of my balanced life. And with thank to Almighty, I celebrate the day. I feel myself I'm alive. This is blessing. And then, of course, after pray, then I join the session. This is my, again, learning, and I celebrate. I feel happy. I charge myself. And today is Friday. Then I'm going to gym. I feel happy. I celebrate over there, like with other friends, swimming and exercise. And after that, I come and pray some at regular schedule of Friday. Now every moment celebrate. Definitely we will start from now. Normally, as Raghu say, normally we are finding problem. Yeah. So this one we have to change our switch to not finding the problem. So every moment is to celebrate.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Yes, Rajesh Rao, sir.
Yeah, very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This morning 5, I'm celebrating. Rather than celebrating, I'm enjoying myself. My wife is always wondered when I go to the loo also why I'm singing.
Good, no?
Every moment has been is enjoyable since morning, yoga, exercise, prayers, pranayam, and of course now this thing, your company of yours, Sukhdeep.
All right, thank you.
And celebrating, I used to like to call it enjoying every moment of it.
You know, there is a wonderful statement I learned from someone a long time ago. And they said, I am creating you. I celebrate our relationship. So if I'm creating you, then I'll celebrate our relationship. Na?
Right.
So every moment can be a default mode, or every moment is a moment created by me. So I'm celebrating it. And I know who you are. All right, who's next?
So I'm also going to celebrate the fact that I have my mom here with me this day, and I can have so many unusual conversations with her, begin having all these unusual conversations with her, which I've always wanted, and also eat the food that I want, like engineer my own food solutions and feel happy by that.
And you can also celebrate the fact that you write prose like poetry. Great, thank you. Yes, who else? Snehal. The problem with the phone.
Hello.
Yes, who's this?
Shiru.
Yes, please.
Yeah. I celebrate the company of my wife also. And all along she's with me. Although she's not saying anything, but she gives me so many hints. Are ye karo, are ye mat karo, ye mat karo. Sometimes I get angry also. Why she's behind me? But for every reason, for every telling her, there's always reason. If you do this, it will happen. So don't do this. So I got so many bad habits. She's always after me. यहाँ मत बैठो, ये साफ करो, वो थोड़ा करो. So I'm rather lazy. So थोड़ा काम करो. So sometimes मुझे गुस्सा आता है कि क्या मेरे पीछे पड़ी है. But when I think, yes, because she is there, I'm here. I was not 6 months.
But don't forget.
Yes. For 6 months I was not well. She was there to take care of me. And her place in my life is unique place. I really enjoy her family, her company also.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
And you just reminded me of something very interesting, you know. भाई नारी माँ होती है, तो माँ को तो बच्चा चाहिए, तो जब बच्चा नहीं मिलता है तो पति ही सही. तो हम भी तो बच्चे ही हैं. हाँ, वो चड्डी नहीं पहनते अभी हम लोग पैंट पहनते हैं तो बच्चे ही ना.
Yes.
So you're getting dose of mothering. Very nice. Congratulations. Please celebrate that. Okay.
So I have a suggestion for Dr. Saab's tooth pain, sir. Just turmeric, baking soda, and clove oil, and immediately it will go.
What will go?
The toothache.
Achha, toothache.
Toothache.
You're still thinking about toothache. All right, very good. Thank you very much.
Come again.
Ashok ji, we have not heard anything from you for the last couple of days. So we are missing it. So would you like to say something to us about celebrating life? Ashok ji is there, I know. iPad. That is Ashokji. All right. In the meantime, my old friend Neeta is here again today. Welcome, Neeta. Would you like to say something to us about celebrating life? I know you for so many years. And for you, life is a celebration, isn't it? So waiting for you to enlighten us. All right, so I guess everybody has said whatever they wanted to say.
Hello. Now I could unmute.
Okay,
Can you hear me?
congratulations.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Oh, celebration is a subject on which I could write a thesis,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
but right now I'm celebrating being here with this group. I never thought I would wake up early in the morning to join, but I'm doing it and I'm celebrating that. That's the reason for big celebration.
Thank you. Thank you. We are grateful that you're there with us, adding value here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Asina ji wants to say something.
Yes, Hasina ji, go ahead. Go ahead.
You are muted. Unmute, Asina ji.
Yeah, please unmute yourself. Yeah, now you're unmuted.
Yeah. When I sleep at night, I look forward to get up in the morning because as soon as I get up, the best time of my life is morning. And throughout the day, I feel so happy that I get up happy, so I am happy throughout the day.
Great. Thank you so much. And you know what? Let us celebrate this moment by generating laughter. So when
But
I say 1, 2, 3,
let's hear from Aruran and Jai Krishna if they want to say something.
yeah, why not? Yes, Jai Krishna.
Or Aruran.
Yeah, whoever wishes to speak
For
first.
me, joy is like going to a tournament, playing all games and winning, getting the title is a joy for me.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. So win a lot many tournaments. Treat every moment of your life like a tournament, no?
Yeah, like joy, I can be happy anytime.
Yeah, exactly. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So we have this other young man. What happened to him? Where did he go?
Become shy.
Doesn't matter. Leave him. He will do it when he wants to. No forcing anybody to do anything here. All right, guys. So let's generate some happiness. Let us celebrate this moment. So when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100%. All right. So one more thing we'll do before we close the session. You know, our body, it loves to be touched. Okay. So I want you to caress your body, starting with the feet, with the toes, your feet, your ankles, and so on, right up to the top of your head. So please do that now. And as you touch each part of your body, you can say, thank you. Thank you for being there, serving me. Somebody's unmuted and talking. Yeah, everybody please do it. I can see that some are not doing it. Auraran, caress each and every part of your body. It's a way of saying to our body that I love you, I appreciate you, thank you very much for serving me, thank you for allowing me to live in you, because you're living in your body. This body is a self-servicing, but it still needs some attention. All right, everybody's done it? Very quickly, I must say. Anybody wants to say anything before we say bye-bye for today?
Just one point.
Yes, sir.
Touching your body, I feel that I have put on some weight. So I'm not doing just so I'm committing something to take care of that. Thank you.
Great.
I touched my body, outside one can touch, but I said thank you to all the inner parts of my body, my lungs, my heart, my kidney.
Yeah.
That's how I.
So that is called giving attention to those fellows. They keep working so hard, isn't it, for us?
So I just not thank the outside part of my body. I thank lungs, heart, kidney, all the inner organs also.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for doing that and sharing also.
I would like to share something.
Yeah, Kasa has raised his hand first.
So I wanted to quote one from Thirukural. Idukkan Varangal Nalga. It says like when there is a tough time, keep smiling at it.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, who else? Somebody was going to speak.
Yes, sir. I would like to say.
Yes, please.
Today, the exercise what just now we did, I think this is one of the very wonderful exercise so far. I've done it because today's topic is celebrating life. The God has given us the beautiful body, but we never pay attention to say thanks. You are with me, and then we pray everything surrounding things, but we don't pay attention. But now when you ask us to touch each and every part, like when you say about your hand, your fingers, your feet, knees, every second it has helped us to move around, to experience the life, and we don't celebrate the body. I think it's one of the greatest exercises. I think we should do it daily, even though not in this morning, but at least we should do in a day, at least once, to thank the body.
And all those who are practicing that 3 minutes yoga, that's a part of the daily ritual. So I'm going to put the link on our group today. So there's another course starting. It's a good idea to do that course. Okay. That's another way of paying attention to your body. Just 3 minutes every day. All right, who else?
Just a quick update, sir. Ashokji is suffering with some bad connection and background noise. He referred from topic.
Yeah, I know. I read his message. Yeah. Unfortunate that we are not able to hear from him, but it's all right. Anybody else before the end of the session?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, whenever we touch our body and say thanks to our part of body, I think that normally in my case, I never used to do that. And we leave it to the doctor to repair it. Instead of leaving it in the hands of doctor, if we try to maintain the body, that will definitely help in good health. So it's really good way to maintain our body and all this.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Sir, a quick appeal. If possible, we are talking about celebrating and we are just thinking about it. Why can't we share some of photos during the day, how you celebrate in the group, or send it to sir, he will put it in the group so that we all can be in the aligned with the subject, how we are celebrating, not forgetting that also. Yeah, like how you celebrate, you share that photo, please.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea to me. So you can send it to me or you can send it to Nidhi. No, send it to me. I'll put it on the group.
Even a video will do, small video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure that the background is good, huh? With your
Excellent.
phone number and everything.
No, those things will not be there. When you are celebrating, these things will not come.
Why not?
Only celebration.
You said no, in the office you celebrate.
Yeah, that's what I will put in that video.
Yeah, beautiful. Thank you so much. And Dr. Ila, very nice to see you. Would you like to share something with this group? Any insights? Ideas about how we can celebrate?
Yes, and thanking all the body parts also. I like it very much. It's a very nice idea. Because we thank other people, we thank God also, but our own body we forget.
Yeah. And then people say that our body is our temple. But we don't treat it like a temple.
Yeah.
Good, thank you very much.
Sir, I want to share one point.
Yes,
Like
sir.
whatever this body exercise, touching every part and all that, what we are doing now. This is from the ages a lot of people are doing, like, Gayatri Mantra. There are some mudras and all that. They touch toe, from toe to every part, and they read one mantra and like that. Even at this point also they will touch. But we are forgetting the ancient systems. And, a lot of people are not practicing, including me. I am also not practicing. And now again, this is a new way of presenting the same old wine kind of thing.
Wonderful. So let's say one thing.
Sorry, sir. Surajji, don't worry about forgetting the old, our tradition thing. We have Sukhdeepak. He will put the same thing in a different format and he will make us to do that. You are in the right place. Sorry, sir. You go ahead, please.
So I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, everybody will say with me, if anyone can do it, I can also do it. If anyone can do it, I can also do it. And all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself. And you know what? I'll not wait for problems to come to me. I will take action before they come, so that when they come, I'll have no problem dealing with it. In fact, there's no problem. Every problem, so-called problem, is only another experience in life. So let's experience all the experiences and celebrate life. So say with me, I am creating you. I celebrate our relationship. And I know who you are. Because if I'm creating you, I always know who you are. Right? So remember, we are all wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings. And we deserve to be loved and respected for who we are. So on that note, guys, thank you very much for your participation. I look forward to see you tomorrow morning, sharp 7:30. And let's create another day today and have fun. Full celebration.
Only one thing I want.
Jay wants to contribute.
Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, what were you saying, Nidhi?
Jay Krishna wanted to share something, so his hands were up.
Okay, go ahead, Krishna. Jai Krishna, you want to say something to us?
Unmute, Jai Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
playing with the friends
Okay.
or getting good marks.
Okay. That is how you will celebrate? Yeah?
Yes.
So put your hands up. Put both your hands up like this and say, yay! Say. Fantastic. Thank you so much. And thank you for sharing. All right. So that's it, guys. Subhashish, would you like to say something before we say bye-bye?
Yes, actually, we are celebrating life in every sphere, in every moment. In the very morning, I'm joining here, over here, listening good sayaris from Sayar and their experience. It's a really, really celebration in my life.
Great. Thank you. And where is your friend?
My
I haven't
friend,
seen him for the last 2 days.
probably he went a meeting to Bangalore, I believe. Like,
Oh, well, he can join from Bangalore also.
yeah,
Maybe
I
you can just
tell him.
remind him.
Okay.
Yeah, we remember people. We miss them when they're not there. Okay. So on that note, thank you very much and see you tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful day.
Ta-ra.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a great